understanding the word check, meanings and uses in English. Have you ever paid for something with a check or had someone check your work? Today we're exploring the word check, a versatile term that appears frequently in everyday English and IELTS exams. Word type: check can function as both a noun and a verb in English, making it a flexible word to use in various situations. Meaning, as a noun, a check is a written order to a bank to pay a specific amount of money. It can also mean an examination or verification. As a verb, to check means to examine something to see if it is correct, safe, or suitable. Word history. The word check comes from the Old French word échec, which was used in the game of chess. Over time, its meaning expanded to include the idea of verifying or controlling something. Antonyms. Some opposites of check include ignore, neglect, and overlook. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to check include verify, examine, inspect, and review. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use check in different contexts. As a noun, I wrote a check to pay for my new laptop. As a verb, please check your answers before submitting the test. In a phrasal verb, the receptionist asked me to check in at the hotel desk. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing check with check. In American English, check is used for both the verb and the noun form related to bank payments. However, in British English, check is used for the noun form when referring to a bank payment, while check is used for the verb and other noun meanings. To sum up, check is a useful word with multiple meanings and functions. Whether you're talking about verifying information, making a payment, or describing an examination, understanding how to use check correctly will help you in your IELTS exam and in everyday English conversations.